So guys, we have made it to IKEA, and yeah, we'll film a bit more once we're actually inside of IKEA and stuff. But we haven't been back here for a decent amount of time.
I've been more recently, but together, I don't think we've actually been since 2019.
Yeah, 2019.
Well,
so
I think so. I
Yeah.
can't think of any other time we've been here.
no, it's definitely. Yeah,
I know I've been with Reese a few times, but that's it.
Yeah,
We've
no.
been getting furniture for his flat.
Yeah, from IKEA. So yeah, I'll update you guys.
At your big mama's house.
What's inside? Yeah. Your big mom is inside IKEA! Breaking all them furniture, crushing all them sofas.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Using them as trampolines.
Yeah, no, that's probably the beds. We've just bought our new apartment, and look at this amazing view that we have right
It's
here.
even got bubbles in the windows.
Look, there's even water in the windows.
I don't know if it's wool or if it's bloody adhesive, I'm not sure.
We've got our beautiful plants here.
And our big ass sofa. For your big ass mother's house.
Mother was that big, you'd break the sofa. But no, we got some nice plants. Probably smell like chickens. Let's see actually, does it smell? Oh, it smells like shit, mate. Got some lights.
It smells like shit.
And a sofa that's $3.99.
Oh, almost 400.
Oh yeah, $3.99, £3.99 for a sofa, mate. These are some great deals.
We'll buy a few.
Yeah.
Set fire to them.
This the lampshade is
Is that different?
£1.70 for a light. Jesus Christ.
Blimey. Yeah, if we put a decimal, like that's £2.50, that wall like that.
Yeah.
Everything's like a few pounds.
That's like £1.30. We should be doing quite good here.
Yeah, that's only £7.30.
A complete living room for 75 quid. Jesus.
70.
Yeah, so we found this Vape Nation fire right here.
Which is rather interesting.
Oh yeah, it's definitely got something.
Got something, right? It feels warm. Like there's like a bit of heat or something coming from it.
I wonder if we could do some Vape Nation with
it. Yeah, probably not.
No, it's unfortunately not. They got some TVs and stuff, and we just found a movie theatre. But no. Hello, welcome back to Cooking with Bridget West. Hello, Bridget West. With Fat Bridget West, IKEA edition. Today we are cooking some nice air soup.
Air soup. It's the all new diet free because it's invisible as well.
0 calories.
You can't see any of it, so it's all natural.
0 calories. So
it's all natural. So it's all.
It's all natural air from Warrington.
Warrington special. That's the new dildo.
New dildo tab.
It's rubber. Look, so you can stick your dick on.
I'm sorry.
Oh god, I can't believe I just said that. I just said, come on.
And they've got some nice plants here. I'm sure they feed them Red Bull here.
That's weird. That's rubber, right? But I thought it'd come off, but it doesn't. It's
No.
squidgy. You know, so it obviously has a normal spray, normal pour and then spray, but you can't. No, it doesn't detach. Oh, hold on. Oh, yes, it does. There we go. You go.
I'm so glad.
Or you stick on the end of your.
So basically, you get it, you shove it up your ass, and you switch it on to full power.
Oh god, that's brilliant.
We also have some nice selections of wine here, so but we're not going to get drunk because demonetization is bad. Got a fridge.
Fridge and a freezer to put your dead baby.
So when your hamster dies, you can freeze it in the fridge. It's like Walt Disney.
It's not as.
We have now started Twitch channels, and yeah, we started. We got our LG TV lighting right here. Perfect.
Look at that. What the hell?
Dual screens for double videos. We could get like a mushroom-looking robot there. Looks like.
I have no idea what that's actually all about.
Very
I
nice.
tell you what, the seat's all right though. It's very weird as hell. It's a bit bare
Yeah, so, see if we can find any better
for my
ones.
skinny arse to sit on.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Wow, I've never seen anybody have Corsair caps without each other thinking.
Just stream anything on them screens.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, they even have a beautiful fake plant right there too.
Oh yeah, what's the here?
So yeah,
So it goes a very low way down.
clearly the only place that you can actually go on is IKEA, obviously.
Oh, I think it's got a bit stuck.
Only website that's available is IKEA.
How far will it go up?
I don't know. Could be a
Okay.
good tripod.
Oh no, it's still
Might actually take off and go to Mars or something.
taking off. Oh, that's maximum.
How tall have you got to be?
I was gonna say, God, you'd have to be a monster to sit down at this desk.
Oh yeah, we've got a nice bathroom right here, as you can see, with a toilet and a shower. Which, if we have a look inside, oh my god! Yeah, obviously there is a live person in the shower. It comes included.
Comes included.
Obviously, there's more plants. Let's see how they smell. It smells like shit. We have found the original shower
from
the 2019 IKEA
there's
video.
the little thingy, and that's when I was going.
But now there's no shower curtains.
No
So.
shower curtain, so you can't do it from the other side without thousands of
Yeah.
people looking at you.
Oh look, that's nice. You can sit on the toilet with your
folded it down so they can.
with your bog roll, and you can sit. And you've got a nice
That means
jungle next to you.
If they bolted that down, that means somebody's actually tried to have a shit.
Well, I bet you there would be people trying.
Well, it wouldn't surprise me. Never doubt anything.
Yeah, never doubt anything.
God.
Got some nice towels and stuff here.
There we go. Brilliant. An ashtray in your bathroom, that's interesting.
I never knew Toyota made pump trucks.
You what?
I never knew Toyota made pump trucks.
Bloody hell. That's fascinating.
Oh yes, there's some new showers.
Oh, there we go. We got the new edition. Yes.
Yes. Oh my.
Just like that. That's
Very
how you-
interesting showers. IKEA showers are very dodgy.
That one might be a bit more secure.
Well, it doesn't even have a back to it.
You can walk from it from any angle.
Yes, that is quite nice actually.
Oh.
Well, that's maybe a bit of a problem, isn't it?
I think it must have to go out this way then. There we go. And then you go in, you go. Bloody hell, you couldn't slam it, you couldn't use full straight back on it.
Yeah. There's a problem.
Just broke the tray.
But no, apparently you can get one of these broken showers for 150 quid.
That's not as bad as I thought. I think my only
For that.
concern here was this one is you can open it out, but when you close it like you normally kind of close it, it doesn't stop. It just kind of carries on going. Apparently it does have a 10-year guarantee though, but I'm not personally.
So if you break it in 10 years, you can never get it replaced.
Yeah, although I'm not being funny though. It's
that
not very
count
good
drop
though. 'Cause
kicking?
bear in mind, if you in it and you close it, it just goes.
Like, yeah.
It keeps on going.
It's not going to be ideal, is it?
So I'm not quite sure really how good that is, to be honest.
So here we have our workshop sort of bathroomy
I'm
area.
going to do an important phone call actually.
Yes. It's got some cables. And you got your metal sink.
Hello. You alright? Yeah.
Your tire towels. Yeah, so we just finished in IKEA.
Yes, IKEA! That was probably quite a bit.
Yeah, you can tell we're definitely in IKEA, as you can see the massive fucking sign down the end there, probably. But yeah, we went to IKEA and we bought some Ziploc bags.
Yes, as that's about as all as we...
Yeah, because that's about all.
But we did think about going to the restaurant, or we did consider it, but it's a... Oh my god,
the queue was literally mad.
It was insane. It was about... Oh god, I'd say you could easily wait that queue for 15-20 minutes just to get to the counter where they serve what you want.
Yeah, and then on top of that, we looked and we saw a little bit of they do the 75p ice creams, and that was
and hot dogs and things at the very end when you just get your normal checkout bit for your shopping, for what you actually buy, because that's like the exit of the place. And even that was
proper.
Absolutely mental. I mean, it just absolutely ridiculous. I mean, I've been coming here off and on for ages. I always end up here at least once a year, if not at least twice, I'd probably even say. And I tell you what, I've never ever seen it this busy, although I imagine the only reason for that though might be because it's because generally I always come in the middle of the week. But I have been here on the weekends before, and even when it's busy, it's never quite this busy.
Yeah.
And bear in mind, we arrived here just past lunch as well, so...
Yeah. But no, we're exiting IKEA now.
Yeah. You ready? Hey! Let's go! Back! Yo, once again I'm back around. Real shit back in style. Haters reconcile. I'm so black and proud. First class tickets now. Feet all in the eye. Everybody looking down. Everybody get red when you brown, huh? Looking me up. I'm putting it down, you picking it up. Checking the models, they want us to go to college just so we can be stuck. Go to school to make a living, or teach yourself to make a fortune. Common sense, welcome to the apocalypse. Bitch, I'm one of the horsemen.